think both gentlemen have spoken very clearly the corporate direction as well as the philosophical support that we have for this business. The other thing I want to add is that this time is different, and we have already demonstrated in several markets in the world that we can and have made significant progress even in the smartphone space. So we are very deliberate in which markets we enter. So when we enter, we do it well. If you look at Southeast Asia, we are not in every country. We have entered Thailand, we've entered Indonesia, and now we're in the Philippines. So, Malaysia, we are just starting. So with very deliberate and very focused attentions, we think we can do a much better job. If you look at us in other regions, and we have demonstrated such tenacity and determination as well. Just look at the products, they're different from the past. So I'm confident, and my boss is, so we're going to make it happen.
No, it's more than that. It's one more thing. This time we have this wonderful brand ambassador.
Yeah.
Thank you. So how can you?
I think one thing that I really am thankful for with this new partnership that I have with Acer is that it just made my life more convenient with its multitasking features, and especially with the kind of lifestyle that I live, busy talaga, I need a phone that can keep up with me. So I'm very thankful that I'm now part of the Acer family.
Yes.
It's been in the business for so many years. It's been trusted worldwide, and I couldn't be any prouder to represent a brand. Actually, I shared it a while ago that my first laptop was Acer, and it's good to be back to my first love. So, I'm just really blessed to be in the panel with our bosses here tonight. I think, it's no-brainer. Talagang, when I first heard that Acer was actually inquiring, sabi ko, sana it will push through. Kasi, ever since I was growing up, Acer has always been there. But I grew up knowing the brand Acer. Especially with PC, dahil nagsimula naman talaga lahat, di ba, sa PC. Wala pa mga laptops ako before, hindi ko pa alam yun when I was growing up. Encyclopedia, and then PC, nagkaroon ng internet. So, especially with Intel, and so parang talagang, I'm just really so blessed na naging part ako ng Acer family, and I'm very thankful that they have trusted me. And like what I said earlier, I couldn't be any prouder to represent a brand that I really believe in, and I really trust, and I'm actually proud to be a part of a company that's so aggressive, who doesn't give up, and is out there to show you what kind of quality products we have.
Okay.
Meron pa kaming Team Gonzaga, actually, inform ko, meron kaming Team Gonzaga sa mobile, and with the help of Acer, pwede niyo pong mapanood yung aming Team Gonzaga sa ABS-CBN mobile. All you just have to do is get the ABS SIM, tapos mapapanood niyo na yan sa mga Acer smartphones niyo.
Okay. Yes,
Hindi po ata kayo makasagot, sir. Ako na lang po sasagot.
I don't know a word to describe you, but we have go through some names, but when Tony's name comes in, that we already, in the Mancom we agree that Tony is the right choice because one, she is not only just a pretty and talented person, she can sing. She wrote songs. I told my boss that the second song you wrote it. That's nice. That's great. Yeah. She sings, she dances. She is a very good professional TV host. I agree. And more importantly, very religious person, very family person, upholding the right and good value and integrity. And all of this quality is very important, and that we are looking for. Healthy image, active, and really have a lot of followers, of course. All of us here fans. By the way, we have a super fans here. ST bought 5 CD. Before he knew that we have signed up with Tony, he just knows tonight. And is she Celestine? And why Tony? I said, why you know her name is Celestine? Because also boom.
All right.
You see, the reason...
You can see Mr. SD's blushing.
Really, I am not making up this. He just told me, and asked me a while ago, and I said, really, you bought the secret?
Thank you for that question. Before I get to answer that directly, let me go through with the price bands that we have. We have as low as 2,900 smartphones intended for convertibles. We convert those users using a traditional phone, feature phone, to convert them to use a smartphone for the price of 2,900 pesos. And all the way up to 19,000 pesos, 19,900 pesos. We see to a point that we do assortment in such a way that we ensure that our products are specific to the kind of the target market that we are targeting to. And these are the millennials. Okay. 2,900 pesos, you get a smartphone. If you want more powerful device, that means in between the smartphone and a or tablet, we call it a phablet category, then you get 19,900 pesos price point. And so far, this is the most cost-efficient phablet out there in the market, considering the specs and considering the price point.
All right, does that answer your question?